Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Jahira Murito and this is TechSpace. Are you willing, are you eager to learn information and communication technology, coding and computer skills? You are in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing high quality tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become an expert in various aspects of ICT. We offer ICT training, code tutorials, computer skills, and even project-based learning. So welcome to this channel. Ensure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we upload a new video. You're going to see a lot of new tutors with different tutorials on this space. So welcome. In today's lesson, I want us to look at HTML introduction. HTML is one of the simplest language to learn. So I'm just going to do an introduction, and then from there we get another part 2 where we're going to learn more about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages or other website. If you want to create a website of your own, you'll always have to use the HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used to describe the structure of a web page. Then you have what we call HTML tags. Tags are simple instructions that tell a web browser how to format text. They are also known as special keywords that specify how a web browser must format and display context. These tags are usually wrapped in brackets. So for HTML tags, they mainly consist of two things. We have the opening tag and the ending tag, also known as the closing tag. The end tag has the same text as the opening tag, but it has a forward slash character. We're going to see that. Then for the opening tag, it specifies the beginning of an element, while the end tag marks the end. An example, we have this tag. This is a tag. This P, meaning paragraph, that is then closed in brackets. This tag is an opening tag for a paragraph, and then this tag with a forward slash is a closing an ending tag. We're also going to note that some tags do not need to be closed because they are self-closing tags, e.g. we have the image, we have the break, and all that. So let us look at examples of these HTML tags. Here are some of these examples. We have one, the document type HTML. You can see they are enclosed. It is enclosed in these brackets. And this HTML, this tag declares the document type as HTML5, which is the most recent version of HTML. So for every HTML document, it requires a document type declaration, and that document type declaration is this tag. Then we have the HTML tags. You can see we have the opening and the closing tag. So what is the work of this element? It is the root. HTML tag is the root element of a HTML document, which contains all of the web page content. Then we have the head, and this section contains metadata about the web page, including the title, which is specified in the tags. Then we have the title. It is an element that specifies a title for a HTML page, which is mostly shown in the browser's title bar or in the page tab. Then we have the body. It defines the document body, and it is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, and all that. And then second last, we have H1, stand for heading, large heading. It's an element that defines large heading, and this P defines a paragraph. So this is an example of a simple HTML code. As you can see, we've started with the declaration tag, this one. Then we have the HTML. For HTML, you're going to note that this is the opening tag, and then we have the closing tag at the end. Then we have where we're going to write our heading. So we're going to start our code with the head tag, and then we write the heading, or rather the title, and then we have the body. This is the body, and so that is your code. We have the HTML editors. What is an editor? An editor is where you're going to code from. An example, so a professional HTML editor will allow you to create and modify web pages. And for learning HTML, I would recommend you to use simple text editor such as the Notepad for PC and the TextEdit for Mac. So here are steps on how to launch Notepad on Windows 8, including Windows 10. So it's the same for how to launch Notepad on Windows 8. It's the same as how to launch on Windows 10. So you open the start screen. Want to know what is a start screen? And then you click so you can open the start screen by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. And then in the start screen, you type Notepad, and you're going to see the Notepad app appear, and then you launch it. But for Windows 7, you open the start menu by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. You go to programs, and then you go to accessories, and then you'll find your Notepad there. You click the Notepad to launch the application. So these steps are slightly different depending on which Windows version you are using, but the results are the same. So this is an example of code that I'm going to copy. As you can see here, I'm going to copy to HTML, and then we're going to see what happens. So for this code, I will copy the code. And I have my Notepad here. So I'm going to, as you can see, I hope you can see. So this is my code. You can see I have omitted letter E there. So the title is Welcome to TechSpace, and then shows. So this is the title that will show on the browser. Then you have the heading that will be the heading, and then we have the paragraph. Let's see. So you save your work. You have to save your work. I'm going to save my work as Njahira .html. You have to use .html, and then you change the type from text document to all files, and then you save your work. I hope I've saved my work on the desktop. Let's see. So yes, you can see I have this. This is Njahira. If I open this website, you can see we have the heading as TechSpace, and then the paragraph, a computer science learning space for tech enthusiasts. Yes, so that is it for today. I hope you've learned something. For more videos like this, ensure that you subscribe to my channel, to our channel, that is TechSpace, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you.